Doppler effect in light, Nana. Okay, look here. What is the Doppler effect? We know that in the wave motion we learn Doppler effect of sound. I discussed at that time a passenger is standing on the railway platform. ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో కూర్చున్నాడు, నుంచున్నాడు, లేదా ఏదో చేస్తున్నాడు. ట్రైన్ అవుతుంది. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారో లేదో, ట్రైన్ టు రీచ్ ద ప్లాట్ఫామ్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? A large booming sound is heard. Okay? For example, train receding away. That means train receding. That means train moving away from the platform. What happens? The observation of passenger. He listen less sound. Simply, its meaning is a train always produce the same sound. ఆ ట్రైన్ ఎప్పుడు ఒకే విధిలో వెళ్తుంది. కాకపోతే పర్సన్ ట్రైన్ దగ్గరికి పోతుంది. పర్సన్కి ఏమనిపించింది? లిజన్ మ్యాక్సిమం సౌండ్. ట్రైన్ దూరంగా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. లిజన్ మినిమం సౌండ్. ఇట్స్ మీనింగ్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ సింపుల్ మీనింగ్ ఈజ్ appears frequency heard by the observer. Appears frequency heard by the observer, then relative motion between observer and source. Here source is train, observer is నువ్వే ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద ఉంటే వాడు. ఓకేనా? హియర్ వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ రిపీట్, అపియర్స్ నాట్ రియల్. ఎందుకంటే ట్రైన్ ఎప్పుడు సేమ్ సౌండ్ రిలీజ్ చేస్తుంది. ట్రైన్ అప్రోచెస్ ద ప్లాట్ఫామ్, observer listen maximum sound. Train away from the platform, observer listen less sound. Its meaning is apparent change in frequency heard by the observer due to relative motion between source and observer. Apparent frequency of sound heard by the observer due to relative motion between source and observer. Okay, relative motion అంటే వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. దిస్ ఈస్ ద డాప్లర్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ లైట్. డాప్లర్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ లైట్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ నాన్న. సౌండ్ తీసేసి లైట్ పెట్టడమే అంతే. చెప్తారా డెఫినేషన్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద డాప్లర్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ లైట్? ద అపరెంట్ frequency of light. Apparent frequency of light heard by apparent frequency of light due to source and observer is in motion. This is called Doppler effect of light. Apparent frequency of light. Apparent frequency of light. Frequency is the fundamental property of source. It always generally not change. This is only appears. Anipitame ante. Apparent frequency of light due to source and observer is in motion. యాక్చువల్లీ సోర్స్ బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈజ్ లైట్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయాలిగా. సన్ను, స్టార్స్, మూను, గెలాక్సీ ఇవన్నీ ఏంటినా సోర్స్. ఈ చాప్టర్లో సోర్స్కి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చెప్తారా? సోర్స్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆర్ సన్ను, మూను అండ్ స్టార్స్, గెలాక్సీ. ఇవన్నీ కూడా దేనికి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ నానా? సోర్స్కి. The source examples of sun, moon, galaxy and so on. What is the examples of observer? నువ్వే ఎవరున్నారు? సాకేతో, నాగేంద్ర ప్రసాదో, రవో, లేకపోతే ఇంకొక అబ్బాయో, ప్రవీణో, ప్రతాపో, ఏదో ఒక పేరు అబ్జర్వర్. బట్ సోర్స్ ఏంటి? సన్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ ద లైట్. వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ లైట్ 3 into 10 power 8. కాబట్టి అబ్జర్వర్ మోషన్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఇన్ ది సిచ్యువేషన్ అబ్జర్వర్ ఆల్వేస్ అట్ రెస్ట్. ఇంకొక చిన్న పాయింట్ ఇస్తాను చూడండి. జనరల్లీ అపరెంట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ n డాష్ ఇది డాప్లర్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ సౌండ్ అన్న. యాక్చువల్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ n ఇంటూ v v0 v vs. Look here now. Apparent frequency n dash, actual frequency n, apparent frequency n dash, actual frequency n. Here v, velocity of sound, v0, velocity of the observer, vs, velocity of the source. Once again I repeat, what is the formula for n dash? N into v v0 v vs. Doppler effect in light comparable to light velocity, that's why observer at rest. Okay, what is the formula? N dash equal to n into v by v plus or minus vs. But this is the light. Light velocity is denoted by c, c by c. Velocity of sound v, velocity of light c, plus or minus vs. Vs indicate velocity of the source. Source best example sun, moon, galaxy. This is the formula for appears frequency. This is the actual frequency, velocity of light, velocity of source. Look here all of it. In the situation, chudalana. Look here now. Okay? Look here all of it. Doppler effect of the light. In the Doppler effect of light, first I discuss blue shift. Blue shift now. In the blue shift I can explain, this is the observer, this is the galaxy or our sun. In this situation, sun moves towards the observer. Here sun always illuminate the light. Here it will be moves nearer the observer. In this situation, automatically it appears more brighter, less brighter, more bright. Its meaning is apparent frequency increases. Apparent frequency increases. What happens to the apparent wavelength? Look here, frequency definition. In the physics, in the chemistry, V by lambda. Frequency and wavelength inversely. In the situation, source moving towards the stationary observer. In the situation, the observer feels more brightness. Its meaning is, నువ్వు సన్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే ఏమైంది, బాగా కాలిపోతావు. ఇటు చూడు, frequency increase, wavelength will be decrease. Frequency inversely proportional to wavelength. Here appears wavelength is decrease. In the situation, wavelength decrease means visible spectrum, VIBGYOR. In the VIBGYOR, violet wavelength is fixed 3800 angstrom. Red wavelength is 7800 angstrom. This is the wavelength increasing order. In the situation, sun moves towards the observer. What happens? The wavelength decrease. Wavelength decrease means year. That's why wavelength decreases. So this shift is called blue shift. Okay, here all colors shift to blue because blue have lower wavelength. Next one. In the situation, to derive the formula, what is the apparent frequency formula in the chapter? Actual frequency into C by C. C here velocity of source plus or minus. Look here now. In the situation, what happens to the frequency? Increase. Apparent frequency increase. Increase avvali ante denominator ikkada em undali minus. Ardhamavutunda? Here more, here right minus, because both are inverse. In the situation, what is the n dash by n? Here in the numerator C, denominator common term is C. Here 1 minus Vs by C. C cancel. Finally write as n dash by n equal to 1 minus Vs by C whole power minus 1. In the mathematics, we know the binomial expansion. 1 plus x whole power n equal to 1 plus nx. According to this situation, n dash by n equal to 1 plus x whole power n write as 1 plus nx. Simply here n value is minus 1. Okay, here substitute already minus ఉంది. Minus of minus ఏమవుతుంది plus 1 plus Vs by C. In the situation blue shift, we discussed blue shift. Blue shift means wavelength decrease, frequency increase. Plus 1 other side minus 1 Vs by C. In the situation n dash minus n by n equal to Vs by C. This is called relative change in frequency. Multiplied by 100, percentage change in frequency. In the situation n dash minus n equal to Vs by C into n. This is called change in frequency. This is relative change in frequency. This is change in frequency. This is relative change in frequency. This is change in frequency. This formula is applicable only for Doppler shift. This is blue shift. Okay. For example, change in wavelength. Directly I give the formula Vs by C into V. Okay. What is the formula for change in wavelength? Vs by C into lambda. In the situation, here write minus. Why here write minus? This is the blue shift. Its meaning is wavelength decrease. This minus indicate decrease in wavelength. What is the formula for change in wavelength? Minus Vs by C into lambda. I give, look here. This is the observer, this is the source. In the situation, source moves away from the stationary observer. In the situation, light coming away, that's why the person feels less brightness. Simply, apparent frequency decreases. Frequency and wavelength inversely, so apparent wavelength increases. Apparent frequency decreases. Okay. Simply apparent wavelength appears means the person feel. Apparent wavelength is increases. Wavelength increases in the visible spectrum. Higher wavelength is red. Its meaning is wavelength increases, the color spectrum shift to red. So this is called red shift. In the situation, change in frequency is, the formula is minus Vs by c into n. Its meaning is Vs is velocity of the galaxy, c is velocity of the light, n is frequency of light, delta n is change in frequency. This minus indicate frequency of light decrease. Another formula, change in wavelength formula is plus Vs by c into n. In the situation, into lambda. In the situation, plus indicate increase in wavelength. That's why this is called Doppler redshift. Okay, these formulas very useful to solve the problems. Nana ఏమొద్దురా, డాప్లర్ ఎఫెక్ట్ లైట్ కనిపించింది అనుకో, చేంజ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, Vs by c into n. చేంజ్ ఇన్ వేవ్ లెంత్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, Vs by c into lambda. Here plus or minus, here plus or minus. For example, నానా షిఫ్ట్ని బట్టి తీసుకో, ఓకేనా. ఇది ఈ రెండు ఫార్ములాస్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. లుక్ హియర్ నానా, ఇన్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ అబ్జర్వర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఎట్లా ఉంటారు నాన్న, రెస్ట్.